Hey everyone, if you've been trying to use features on Roblox like voice chat but keep getting stuck on age verification, this video will explain what you can do when you don't have an ID or phone number. Let's start by going into your Roblox account. Once you're logged in, tap on the settings icon. This might look like a gear or 3 dots, depending on the device you're using. Then go to account info. At the top of this section, you'll see a button that says, Verify my age. When you tap it, Roblox will usually ask you to scan an official ID. They do this to make sure you're old enough for certain features. If you don't have an ID, this is where the problem begins. At the moment, Roblox does not allow users to verify their age without some kind of ID. So there's no easy trick or setting you can turn on to skip this step, but you can still try to reach out to Roblox for help. Here's how. Go back to the main settings screen and find the Help section. You'll see an option to contact support or report an issue. Use that. Fill in the form with your username and email address. Then, explain your situation. You can say something like, I'm trying to verify my age, but I don't have an ID. Is there another way I can complete the process? They may not have another method available, but sometimes support can give you more details, or at least confirm what your options are. Be clear and respectful when sending the message. Right now, phone numbers are not used for age verification. Adding your phone number helps recover your account or receive notifications, but it doesn't prove your age to Roblox. A lot of videos and posts online say there are ways around this, but most of them don't work or are misleading. Roblox takes age rules seriously, so there's really no other working method without an official ID. So if you don't have one, the best thing to do is contact support and wait for their reply. There's no guaranteed solution, but it's the only official step you can take without an ID. Thanks for watching, and I hope this clears things up.